Alright, now I promise I'm about to start. Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video and welcome back to my channel. This look we just kind of did for Valentine's Day and I really love it. I'm actually probably going to do it again in the very near future, but I'm not too much of like a, like a hot pink or red or like pink type of girl for my face, at least. Like I just don't like that look on my face, so I kind of just put something together, mixed some browns and some reds, and I feel like it really pulled through. Like I'm loving this look. I'm also loving this lip. I'm going to be doing a review of the I Love Serai and ColourPop creation. I think they created a matte lip, which is the one that I'm wearing today. It's called Sophie. And then they created another red metallic lip and a gloss, I believe. So I'm going to be doing a review. Look out for that. So if you guys want to see how we created this beautiful Valentine's Day sultry, feminine, sexy look, then please keep watching. Hey guys, what's up? So sorry for this audio in advance because I'm recording off of my computer. I have lost my cord to my mic, have no idea where it is, but we're gonna make this work anyways. So first for my transition shade, I went in with Silk Cream. Now I'm going in with Puder and Roxanne. This is just going to give us a seamless blend into all of these dark smoky shades that we're gonna be adding here shortly. I like to add transition shades because it just helps me get more of a seamless blend. We are going to be adding some depth and some smokiness to the outer corner, so I just want to make sure that everything is blended properly and there are no harsh lines. So to be able to create that gradient outer corner, I'm going to first go down with a transition shade. This is just Roxanne on its own, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner, applying most of it in the outer corner, and then once most of the product is off of my brush, I'm going to swipe that in to the crease. So now going in with Jax. Jax is a deeper red than Roxanne, which is perfect because in my opinion it's easier to use colors that are under the same color tone, but maybe just a level or two darker will allow you to get that seamless blend. So now I'm going to go in with some darker colors. I'm going to mix Jax and Mocha. Mocha is more of a reddish brown, so it still keeps that red undertone, which again helps with blending. So you may see my mouth move in some of these clips, and I really was originally going to film this look by, talking it through with you guys, but I got so into it after the first couple clips of showing you guys the palette. I just stopped talking and I just went into the colors and started creating instead of talking to you guys, and I kind of realized halfway through that I hadn't mentioned what colors I was using or anything, so I was like, okay, well this is going to be a voiceover. So here you'll just see me kind of going back and forth. I'll be applying color and then blending it and then applying it again. And really why I do that is because whenever you apply a color and you blend it, you're blending the pigment to other parts of the eye, so you're not really getting the full amount of pigment in that place that you originally added. So I just go back and add some pigment where I kind of take. So for the lid color, I didn't really know what to use. I knew what kind of look I was going for, but as far as tone, I didn't know if I wanted like a champagne or a pinky or whatnot. So at first I tried Beam out of the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is the one I already applied, and I loved it, but I wanted something a little bit more natural and subtle, so I went in with the Limelight Bare Metals color called Rose Colored Glass, and I ended up loving it a lot more. So I just went ahead and applied that over top of the beam that I had on my first eye. So now it's time to blend. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that brush that we used for the outer corner. I'm not going to apply any extra product. I'm just going to take it and blend right over that line that we created when we applied the lid color, which is going to be pretty harsh because it was a wet color when we applied the Fix Plus to it. So just going over it and kind of making sure everything is blended and there are no harsh lines, you should be good to go. Do not mind my funny face. I'm just taking that second transition shade that we used, which was Roxanne and Puder, along the bottom lash line and blending that out. I then noticed that I wanted to make my eyelids a little bit deeper, so here I am just adding a little bit more depth on the front using that Mocha and Jax color. I'm just going to go in with Mocha on the bottom lash line
and press that against my waterline just on the outer corner, and then I'm going to go in with that same brush and just blend it all out, make sure everything is seamless. So Beam ended up coming in a really handy. I'm going to use that in my inner corner for my inner corner highlight. I'm also going to be using that for my brow bone, which you won't see me do here, but I did use it. For blush, I'm going to go in with Warm Soul by MAC. This color is so gorgeous on the cheeks. It's still very natural, but just gives a little bit of pop of color to the face. The lashes I am using are by Lashes in a Box, and they are the number 2s. They are some of my favorites. They're very natural, but still very flirty at the same time. I believe their sisters are number 3. Those are a little bit more natural than these guys. As I already mentioned, I am going to use the matte lipstick by I Love Serai and ColourPop. This is in the shade Sophie, and it turned out very, very beautiful. I love the formulation. It didn't dry up on my lips. I was able to add another coat without it kind of cracking.
Alright guys, this is the final look. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up or putting it in the comment section below. I love reading your guys' comments. And then, of course, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and please tag me if you guys recreate this on Valentine's Day. I'd love to see it.